Hello friends, welcome to this episode of Gardening Escape. In today's video, I will share how to care and fertilize hibiscus plants for healthy growth and beautiful blooms. Growing hibiscus is a great way to add greenery and beauty at the same time. With little bit of care, we can grow all hibiscus varieties in containers and enjoy flowers for so many years. Let's start with ideal potting mix recipe for hibiscus pot culture. Being a tropical plant, hibiscus loves little bit of moisture. But at the same time, soggy soil can cause death of the plant. So we must choose humus-rich, well-draining potting soil. Because of humus, potting soil will hold some moisture and it will also improve soil texture. I prefer mixing 40% garden soil, 40% organic matter and 20% sand as ideal potting soil. We can use any organic matter like compost, vermicompost, cow or horse manure, or even leaf mold works great. Now that we know how hibiscus potting soil should be, let's talk about choosing ideal pot or container. Hibiscus plants prefer relatively smaller containers compared to how fast they grow. So choose a small container at the beginning, and after they become perfectly root bound, repot it to slightly bigger container. We can grow hibiscus successfully either in plastic or in earthen pot. As you can see, I have grown couple of hibiscus plants in 5 and 8 liter paint buckets and some in earthen pots. Only thing to worry about plastic containers is how often we should water. So that's our next subject of discussion. Like all other plants grown in containers, hibiscus too don't like sogginess. So we need to water potted hibiscus only if top 2-inch soil dries out. We can feel soil moisture by sticking our index finger into the soil. If not dry, keep watering until soil is dry enough. In summer, water twice a day, and in winter, once in every alternate days. Sometimes you may notice droopy leaves on very hot summer days. It happens due to lack of moisture. Sprinkling cold water on the leaves will rapidly improve the condition. Hibiscus plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight in order to produce numerous vibrant blooms. It will continue vegetative growth in partial shade, but it won't flower much. The more sunlight hibiscus plants get, the better they flower. Although protection from strong afternoon sunlight can benefit hibiscus plants. The health and flowering of hibiscus significantly depends on what we feed them and how. Frequent but small application of fertilizer ensures good growth and bloom. For instance, I like to combine organic and inorganic fertilizer together. That way, plants get all the nutrients for a long time. For one plant, take 10 gram mustard cake, 5 gram steamed bone meal, 10 gram neem cake, half gram sulfate of potash and half gram micronutrients. Apply this fertilizer once in every 14 days for best result. Apart from this, I use 1 gram potassium nitrate and 1 gram magnesium sulfate alternatively once in a week. This ensures bushy growth and lots of buds. You will be amazed by the results once you use the fertilizer recipe I have shared. Pest management of hibiscus is very important because it directly affects plant health and blooming. Especially in countries with moist and warm climate, mealybug is the biggest threat for hibiscus. In India, it is a very common problem. As a remedy, we can use hand sanitizer sprays, shampoo or chemical pesticides like Actara or Confidor. Neem oil is not effective enough in this case, so I don't use it. Apart from pest attacks, there are many problems like bud drop, yellowing leaf, root rot and fungal diseases. We will discuss those one by one in other videos. But if you want to know about mealybug remedies, please go to the description box for the video link. For more interesting gardening videos, please subscribe and press the bell icon guys. Thanks for watching. Stay fit and happy gardening.